Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host debosstbs. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a blogger account and explain the blogger interface to you, and also show you how to create a blog post and also explain everything you need to know about creating your blog. Without wasting any more of your time, let's roll the intro and start the video. So the first thing which you're going to do is go to your browser. You can use your phone or your PC for this one, and go to blogger.com. Now select create your blog. Choose an account. You can add a new account or you can select your old one. Now here you can put the title for your blog. I will write debosstbs and select next. Here you can put the address, as in like a domain. So this is important. You must make sure that you put a domain which you remember. And let me just write debosstbs. As you can see, it says not available, so let me add 2 at the end and then select next. Now here you can put on your name here. So let me put debosstbs for my name as well, and then finish. Once you are done setting up your blog account, and over here we have the main menu. You can hide and unhide it like this. Here we have the blog log, which will take you back to the blogger website homepage. Here we have the search posts. Once you started creating posts, you can be able to search them and manage them over here. Here you can select your blog or create a new blog. Over here we have stats, and under stats you can see the analytics of your channel and the traffic, and which post or blog is creating more traffic. And once you start creating the posts, in the comment you can see the comments of the people who comment on your website. And under earnings you can create an AdSense account and start earning. We'll do that on another video. Pages are similar to posts. We'll do post on this video. I will show you how to create a page on another video. And then we have layout. Layout is how your blog is going to look like. We're going to touch layout on another video as well, so let's leave it as it is right now. And then after layout we have themes. You can apply a theme over here, and any theme, you can choose any theme from the back website, and also you can download a theme and import it over here. I will show you on another video how to do that. And next we have settings. In settings we have title, description, we have you can change the language, you can restrict age, you can also hide your blog, make it invisible so that when someone search it from a Google engine they cannot find it, and you can also make it so that they can find it. And the important thing here is the favicon. We're going to change that later. A favicon is the logo which appears on top of your search engine right here. The other things are not important. We have reading list, which will leave it as it is, not important. And then we have view blog, which you can be able to view your blog. As you can see, there is nothing in our blog. We are going to add a post. Here you can search for your post or anything which you have already created, but we didn't create anything. So let's go back and select posts, and then select new post. Under post we have title here, we have preview here, and then this is how it looks like when you preview. Preview is so here we have publish. When you are done, you can be able to publish your post. And then here under title, let's write blogger tutorial. On our left here we have this pen which has HTML view and compose view. The HTML view is a bit complicated, as you can see. We are not going to be using it in this video, since this video is for beginners. We are going to create a HTML video in the future. In this video, we're going to only using the compose view, since it is simple to create a post with it. Here we have undo and redo. As you can see, you can undo and redo your mistakes. Here we have font size. You can change the size of your font by selecting the text which you want to change the font of, and then change the font like this. And then after that we have font size. Once you select here, you can be able to change the font size. I like to use normal, so you put it back to normal. Here under paragraph, you can put it as a major heading, a heading, subheading, minor heading, paragraph, and normal. I like to use major headings for my headings, and then subheadings for some of my other headings, and also I use normal for my normal text. Now here you can be able to bold your text, to put it on bold. In order to do that, let me just write bold here, and then you can be able to blend it like that. You can also make it italic. Just select it and select here, it will change to italic. You can underline it like that. You can also underline your heading like that. So let me just remove it, and then you can put it a stroke through like this. Just select the text and select stroke through, and then you can change the color of your text. For example, let me write color here, and then select the text which you want to change the color of, and then select the color. I'm going to choose red for this one. As you can see, this is how it looks like once you change the color. Here we have the background color. You can also change the background color of your text. For example, let me just say B color, and then change the background color. Let me start by putting it back to default, and then change the background color to red like that. After that, we have link. Here you can be able to put a link on your text just like this, and let me just write link, and then select the link which the text which you want to put your link on. For example, I'm going to put it on this text link. After that, just select here, and then you can put the name here of your link, which is not important. You can leave it as default, and then here you have to paste the link which you want it to redirect you to. So let me just put a link for my YouTube channel. Paste it here, and then select open this on a new tab, and then apply. I'm going to show you how it looks like later, and we are going to preview it later, so don't worry about it. Here you can insert your image, and here you can insert your videos. Let's start by inserting an image. You can choose whether you want to take it from photos, bloggers, or by or. I'm going to upload it from my computer. You can also do it on a phone, so don't worry. Just choose your file and choose it in an image. You just select this one, for example. Now here on the image we have the alignment. You can put on the left and the center, on the right I like to put it on the left like this, and then let's click enter until we see another. If you want to tweak the image a little bit more, we have image size, we have caption over here. We also have the settings here. You can be able to change the size of the image. You can also change the size of the image by dragging over here. Now if you want to put a link on your image, just like we did on that text, you just have to select your image, select that over there, and then change this link by putting your own link. Let me put the link of my YouTube channel just like I did for that one. Just paste it here, open a new tab, apply, and then when you select the image, now it will redirect you to the link for my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you that later when I preview. Now let's insert the video. You can upload from your computer, also upload from your YouTube. I want to upload from my YouTube, so just search here YouTube channel, debosstbs, and then search. Choose any video which you like to choose. I'm going to select this one and select. Now as you can see, for the video it doesn't show you the alignment, so in order for you to move your video, you can select it and select here, select left alignment, or you can put it in any other alignment, and then now we can insert special characters. You can put emotes and other stuff. You can check this one out on your own free time. I'm not going to use this one, so let me skip it. Here we have the alignment. I showed you how to use the alignment. As you can see, you can move your videos or your images to any part of the website. Here we have indexes. You can increase it or decrease it. Let me show you. When you increase it, it moves your text to the right. When you decrease it, it moves your text to the left. And here we have more options. For more options, we have a bulleted list and a numbered list. We have quoted text and we have insert jump. For example, let's start with the bulleted list. We can write bullet number 1. You can put it in a bullet form, and then you can write bullet number 2. To exit this, you have to click enter twice. Just enter and enter. It will take it back to the default. Same goes for the numbers. You just say number 1 and then number 2. To exit it, just click enter twice. And then for the quoted text, let me write quote here. Quote. And then select the text which you want to put it under quotations, and then select quoted text. Now for the jump, you can just insert it like that. It separates the pages. As you can see, it creates a new page. And then for the layout, let me just write layout. Yes. Oh, sorry about the spelling mistake. Once you select the text which you want to put it on the layout, you can select right. It will take it to the right side, and when you select the left layout, it will take it to the left side of the screen. Let me just put it on the right, for example. And then here we have the insert tools. You can change the language over there, and then for the cancel formation, for example, just put any formations, just change the color, put bold, italic, and then to clear all these, just select it, select the text which you want to clear, and then select clear formations, and you can see it took it back to the default. Now let's remove this one, and then let's publish this. To publish it, just confirm here, and then let's preview it. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it will look like. As you can see on top there, we have our blog tutorial, our heading, our blog, we have our colored text, we have our background colored text, and you have the link. Once you select on this link, it will take you to my YouTube channel. As you can remember, I inserted the link for my YouTube channel. While you're at it, you can just also click subscribe and support me, guys. Anyways, let's go back, and we see our image over here. I also inserted the link for my YouTube channel on the image. As you can remember, if you click on the image, it will do the same as it did in the link. It will take you to my YouTube channel, and here we have a video for my YouTube channel. Once you select it over here, it will play as if like I'm viewing it from YouTube. You can also select here, and it will take you straight to YouTube. Here we have the bullets, and we have the number, and we have the quote here. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It is easy to copy from the code, as you can see. Let's go back to our blog and go to our home page. As you can see on our home page, this is how the blog will look like, and the image which appears here is the featured image is the first image which you put on a blog. It will appear here like this. And now let's go to our original blogger, which I've created a few days ago, just to show you how it will look like once we finish creating our blog. I've created a few blog posts over here just to show you how it will look like once we are done creating our posts. You can see there are a few blog posts which I've created. I'll leave a link in the description for this blogger so that you can check it out yourself. As you can see, I've created a few blogs over here. Let me show you, for example, how the blogs look like. We have our heading on top, we have our featured image, we have our major heading, we have our subheading, and then major heading right here again. We have our download button here, which I will create a video to show you how to create a download button later. And we have our blog. As you can see, this is how it looks like, our post looks like. Let's go back to our blog post, and I think that is it for this tutorial, guys. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to create it like this one, and we're going to put an image over here. We're going to change a lot of stuff, change the themes and everything, and put the about and contact us and the home buttons right over there. And if this video was useful to you, please give it a like and so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and select another video on the screen.